Yesterday I was about to get a demo call with a customer, and they had an interesting use case. I'm like, I wonder how fast I can build this. So their use case is basically they want to run CIS Benchmark security audit against PanOS Firewall. And I'm like, oh, we can do that in Tines. So I fired up our Workbench tool and had it create a nice little prompt based off some data I got from the CIS security website. Basically, it's the PDF of what the audit looks like. Uploaded that into Workbench and have a conversation about creating a prompt for me. And what that looks like, the results look like, is this. PanOS benchmark, executive summary, telling you everything that's wrong, letting you know where you are in the benchmark score, and then breaking down every single step in detail and verification from there as well. But let's back up and walk through how we got here. So I open up our workbench, loaded up the PDF, and start having a conversation to generate our prompt. So basically, it's letting it know what the prompt is, what it's auditing here, and then coming down here, giving it the standards of that PDF, breaking it out from every single .1, .2, all the way down, breaking down everything. I'm going to scroll really fast, but just showcasing, what I want the compliance matrix and everything to look like. And once that's done, letting it know to use Cloud Anthropic 3.7 because that's the platform Tines have natively supports. And once that's complete, I'll put a web page. Now, I have a GitHub repo that's out there, and it basically has my config file stored out there for a PanOS firewall. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. So it would actually come out here, grab a list of all my firewalls from GitHub, drop in the name, and then right below here, I'm going to choose the PanOS. Yes, it's a firewall. Hit submit. Now this is going to run, takes quite a few minutes to run because it's doing all that auditing, but I already have one pre-built here. So just show you through that as well. So it goes through every single detail, as you can see, where in that step that it failed the compliance, what you need to add, and everything broken out. So repeats it over again, showing you the same concept, showing you 1.4 authentication settings, which you need to apply. But I'm going to scroll down to the bottom so you can see the summary. Right here at the bottom, we actually have a roadmap. It created a roadmap for phase one, what immediately to do. And when you're done, here's your next phase of stuff to remediate. Now, what's nice here too, it gives you a nice little matrix of what you should be focusing on, like week 1 to 7, all the way to 10. And then it has some validation scripts here, commands that you basically run on the platform. Now, if I actually had access to the PAN firewall as well, I could build in some remediation to say, add this functionality, and it will go ahead and do that on that firewall and update it as well, or any other automation tool. So we can combine Tines AI platform of giving you all this capability of auditing your Palo Alto firewall against CIS benchmark, and then remediating it as well. So just a quick little video to showcase how powerful this platform is.